Mihira, I need you to adjust the dosage for Mr. Paul in room 302. The latest blood work shows his potassium levels are dangerously low. We need to increase the potassium chloride infusion to 20 milliequivalent/hour, but monitor his cardiac rhythm closely. Also, remember to dilute the solution as per protocol. And, given his recent diuretic use, we should reassess his fluid balance. I'm concerned about potential hypervolemia, so keep a close eye on his lung sounds and blood pressure. Please update me in 2 hours on his response.
Understood, Dr. Paul. I'll initiate the potassium chloride infusion at the adjusted dose and monitor his cardiac rhythm using the telemetry. I'll also document his fluid intake and output meticulously. I'll keep you updated on his condition as requested.
Mihira, thank you for coming in today. I know it can be very worrying when your child has trouble breathing, but I want to reassure you that asthma is a very common condition, and with the right care, it can be managed very well. It doesn't have to limit her life at all. The important thing is that we now have a clear diagnosis, and we can put a plan in place to prevent these difficult episodes from happening again. Asthma is a chronic condition, but with proper management, she can live a full and active life. Our next steps are to focus on controlling the condition and preventing future flare-ups. I'm going to provide you with some initial medication to help manage any immediate symptoms, and it's very important that you use it exactly as instructed. I am also making an appointment for you with her general practitioner, who will conduct some necessary tests to get a complete picture of her lung function. They may perform a simple breathing test called spirometry. Based on these results, they will create a long-term management plan tailored specifically for her needs, which may include a daily preventative inhaler. We'll also work together to identify her specific triggers, such as pollen or dust, so we can help you take steps to avoid them. Remember, our goal is to give her the tools to breathe easily and confidently every day.